Guys, welcome to my class Kiran Singh Maths Pathsala. I am your maths teacher Kiran Singh. In previous video we were doing chapter 4 direct and inverse variation math of class 8 DAB. We had started worksheet 2 till question number 4 we had completed. Now we will do question number 5. Our question number 5 is, if 12 men can repair a road in 24 days, then how long will it take 9 men to repair the same road? Here at first we will make a box. In first box we can write number of men. In second box we can write number of days. Here we will write x and here we will write y. Number of men equal to 15 and number of days is 24. Then how long? It means number of days we don't know. We will write question mark and it take 9 men. Number of men equal to 9. Here we will do the solution. At first we can see that if we will decrease the number of men, then number of days will increase. So it is in inverse variation. At first we will write since it is in inverse variation. And in introduction part I told you that in case of indirect variation or inverse variation, always product, it means x into y equal to k, product will equal to some constant. We will use this condition here. So we can write 15 into 24 equal to 9 into, at this place we don't know the value, but here we can write y. This implies y equal to 15 into 24 upon 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 8 are 24. Now 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. It means y equal to 8 5 are 40. It means number of days equal to 40 days. It means 9 men can repair the same road in 40 days. Now we will do question number 6. Our question number 6 is, if 30 goats can graze a field in 15 days, then how many goats will graze the same field in 10 days? For this question also we will make the box at first. In first box we can write number of goats. We will let it as x, and next box we will write number of days. Here we will write y. Number of goats is 30, then number of days is 15. Then how many goats? It means number of goats we don't know. Days is given 10. So here we will put the, at first we will write since it is in inverse variation. Therefore product, it means 30 into 15 equal to, at the place of question mark we can write x into 10. This implies x equal to 30 into 15 upon 10. 10 1 are 10, 10 3 are 30. Now we can write x equal to 3 into 15. This implies x equal to 15 3 are 45 goats. Therefore we can write number of goats equal to 45. It is the required answer. In this way we have completed question number 6. Now we will do question number 7. Our question number 7 is, a contractor with a workforce of 420 men can complete a work of construction of a building in 9 months. Due to a request by the owners, he was asked to complete the job in 7 months. How many extra men he must employ to complete the job? See, At first we will write the solution. For this question also we will make the box. See, in first column we can write number of men. In next column we will write number of months. Here we will write X and here we will write Y. Here we can see a contractor with a workforce of 420 men. It means number of men is 420 and then work will be completed in 9 months. Due to request by the owner, he was asked to complete the job in 7 months. It means in next condition months is 7, then what will be the number of extra men? We will find it. Here also we will write since it is in inverse variation, therefore we can write 420 into 9 equal to x into 7. This implies x equal to 420 into 9 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 42. This implies x equal to 60 into 9. This implies 60 into 9, 9 6 is 54. Number of men equal to 540. But in question asking what is the number of extra men? It is the total number. So we will find number of extra men equal to 540 minus 420 equal to 120 men. It is our required answer. Now we will do question number 8. Our question number 8 is Uday can finish a work in 25 days. He reads Uday can finish a book in 25 days if he reads 18 pages every day. How many days will he take to finish it if he reads 15 pages every day? For this question also we will make the box at first. Here we can see number of days. First we will write number of days. In next column we will write number of pages. Here we will write X and here we will write Y. Here we can see number of days is 25 and number of pages is 18. How many days will he take to finish it if he reads 15 pages? Number of pages is 15, the days he will question mark. Here we will put question mark. We will write the solution. Since it is in inverse variation, therefore 25 into 18 equal to 15 into, here at the place of question mark we can write X. This implies X equal to 25 into 18 upon 15. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15. 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. X equal to 6 5 is 30. It means number of days, therefore number of days equal to 30. In this way we have completed our question number 8 also. In next video we will do more questions. Thank you students for watching me.